Naomi Rachel Long MLA is a Northern Irish politician who has served as Minister of Justice in the Northern Ireland Executive since January 2020 and leader of the Alliance Party since 2016. She has served as a member of the Legislative Assembly for Belfast East since 2020. Long served as Lord Mayor of Belfast from 2009 to 2010 and represented Belfast East in the Northern Ireland Assembly from 2003 to 2010. She resigned as an MLA after being elected as the Member of Parliament for Belfast East at the 2010 general election. She served for one parliamentary term and lost her seat to the Democratic Unionist Party at the 2015 general election. She returned to the Northern Ireland Assembly in 2016 before resigning for a second time after being elected as a member of the European Parliament for Northern Ireland in 2019. After the United Kingdom left the European Union in 2020, Long returned as an MLA and was appointed Minister of Justice in the Northern Ireland Executive. Born in East Belfast, she attended Mercy Street Primary and Bloomfield Collegiate School. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.